Whoa, that was it again, guys. The video is finished. Sorry about it, but new 6 tripod tricks for you at home. You have to know it. You have to really know it. And all your friends, so share the video with all your friends. Thumbs up this video, please. It will be fine for me. And we want to see us in the next video. This is Milou PD. So I hope you enjoyed the video. And I just want to say till the end. Ich wünsche noch einen schönen Abend, was auch immer. Wir sehen uns in der nächsten Video. Mach's gut, mach's besser. Ciao, ciao.